Welcome, in front of me is Dell Latitude 5400, and in this video I'll show you how to set up Windows 11 without a Microsoft account on this laptop. First of all, do not connect to the internet, and if you are already connected, then either unplug the Ethernet cable, or just if you're connected to the Wi-Fi, then just either turn off your router if you have access to it, or leave the area to some place where your router's signal is unreachable. And once you do that, proceed by doing the following steps. First, use Shift and F10 buttons combination. Then in this CMD window, input the command OOBE/bypass NRO. Once you enter this command, press enter and wait until your device is restarted. Your laptop is restarted. You can proceed normally. First, select the right country or region and click yes to confirm. Then select the right keyboard layout for your laptop and click yes once again. If you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can click add layout and select the next keyboard layout, then select skip. Now, instead of connecting to the network, select I don't have internet and then enter the name for your account. Click next. You can create a password for yourself by entering into this field, then clicking next, but you don't have to do this, so we can skip this step by simply clicking next. Then choose some privacy settings for your device. For example, location lets you get experiences like directions and weather. Find my device feature lets you easily find your device in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic data sends data about your usage of the laptop to Microsoft for research. Inking and typing sends data to Microsoft about your keyboard usage. And tailored experiences and advertising ID basically personalize ads for you. So switch the toggle to the left next to the options that you don't want, and then click accept once you're content with your choice, and then simply wait until the setup is finished. And once you see your desktop, that means that you have finished the setup process. So that's it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.